Hi, in the previous video we learned about how to update values in a dictionary. Now I want to show you how to add new values to dictionary. So an update means you are changing a value that already existed in the dictionary. But when you are adding a new item to the dictionary, it means you are specifying a new key and its corresponding value to be available in the dictionary. And so I'm going to create a file and I'm going to call that dictadding.py, and we are going to use that file, so dictadding.py, and I'm going to copy over the country dictionary, and then we see how we can add a new item to this. And remember, when I say item, I'm talking about key value pair. So when we were doing the updates, we only changed values of existing items. There was the key already, and then we changed its corresponding value. But when you are adding a new item, it means you are introducing a new key value mapping to your dictionary. So let's say we want to store the names of some of the holidays in the country. You agree with me that as at now, the dictionary has no key for holidays. And holidays means we're going to store a list of names as holiday names, okay? And so the way you do that is to just use the square bracket notation and introduce a new key. As long as the key doesn't exist, if you introduce a new key and its corresponding value, it is going to be added to the dictionary, okay? So first of all, let's print the keys of this dictionary. So I'll say country.keys, okay? So that we see the keys, and then I'm going to just print an empty line here. And then when we finish, I'm going to say country, and I'm going to say holidays, and I'm going to put a list because we want a list of holidays. So we have Independence Day, we have Workers' Day, so we have Workers' Day, and I think we also have Founders' Day, so Founders' Day, okay? Now let's come down here and print the keys again, and you can see that indeed a new key is introduced. So I'm going to run this program, dictadding.py. What is going on? It says dict attribute error, dict object has no attribute key. What is going on? I said, oh, so keys, yeah. So you need to learn how to read error messages and know how to fix them. So the error it showed me was that attribute error dict object has no attribute key. So what it meant is that I am invoking an attribute or a method key on the dictionary, and it doesn't know it because it is spelled as keys, okay? So that is how I fixed it. So I'm going to clear, and I will run this again, and you can see that for the first print statement, the keys were name, capital, currency, population, president. There was no holidays, and now you can see that holidays have been added here. So indeed, if we come down here and we print the entire dictionary, we expect to see that the country dictionary now has holidays, and it is indeed going to be a list. So let me make this quite bigger so you can see it well. So you can see that there's holidays here, and that is a list. So this is to prove to you that indeed the values that you set within your dictionaries can be any of the data types that we have learned about. And so everything you know about those data types also apply here. Like if I use indexing to select the holidays, I can use integer indexing to get either the first holiday, the second, or the third, because it will return it as a list, okay? All right, so let's take a quick break, and I'll see you in the next video.